Hey, welcome to Teleku Video. This is episode number 12, and I'm wearing my Astrakhan 2008 shirt today because we have I've been in this asterisk state of mind and working around the clock here to bring y'all something really cool. We have a brand new platform. We have two now. So we remember how Teleku works. We attach to any voice XML infrastructure. We've been using the Voxeo's network because they've got really cool speech recognition, amazing text-to-speech, Skype, all iNum, all sorts of really cool features. That's really cool, and we're going to continue offering their service. But I don't think we can offer it at 3 cents a minute anymore. I believe we're looking at 5 cents, but we're still locking that down. But we've created a brand new platform. It's entirely built on open source, and it's running on Asterisk, OpenVXI, and VoiceGlue in the Amazon EC2 cloud. That's a lot of techie stuff, but what that basically means is it's a state-of-the-art open source platform that's entirely based on SIP. And what that means is we're not going to charge for that at this time. It's a completely free platform as long as you talk SIP into it and SIP out of it. And SIP is an industry standard session initiated protocol handling stack that allows you to basically control your own phone numbers. You can register your own phone numbers, point them at a SIP address we provide, and you've got basically free inbound and outbound phone calls on our phone web service API. Let me show you how it works. It's not that technical, and we'll be doing more videos on how to make it easier for you, but we're very excited to bring this to you. If you look at extensions now, what you'll see is, actually let me if you go to pricing, this is where you see the full breakdown as to what Ninja offers versus what Samurai Warrior offers. Samurai Warrior is a Voxeo platform, and Ninja's a little bit lighter. As you can see, Ninja's missing some functionality, but like SMS, which is an important one we're going to be working on next. And I just added outbound dialing, so we need to fill this in as well. So Ninja supports in and outbound, voice XML, Twilio, phone markup, text-to-speech, although you will hear there's a drastic difference in the quality of text-to-speech and WAV files. So if we go to extensions, you'll see that we have the SIP address for Ninja, and all the Samurai stuff stays the same. So this is all Voxeo. If you dial any of these numbers, you land on the Voxeo platform, Samurai. When you look at any of these extensions, you'll see off to the side now you can call it directly with the Ninja SIP address, the Samurai SIP address, so you can hear the difference. You can start on Ninja where it's free, and then eventually upgrade to Samurai if you want better quality sounding applications. And if you don't want to deal with SIP, you can upgrade to Samurai. And we have a built-in SIP phone. If you don't have a SIP client, Gizmo is a SIP client. Blink for the Mac is a really cool, and I've been having a lot of fun with that. Xlite, and there's lots of other free SIP clients out there that you can just hit these, or we have one built in. So let me show you. If you call, let's call like Skype, and we'll play this Beware of Ninjas 194.
Welcome to
I did not. Speech recognition threw me off.
Welcome to Teleku.
Okay, so we're going to hit
Please enter the extension.
This call is sponsored by Teleku.
Beware of ninjas.
They are very sneaky. Hiya.
Okay, so you see that was what the quality of the demos we've been providing to date. If we look at the Ninja platform, there's no speech rec, and the text-to-speech, you'll definitely notice a difference.
But look. This call is sponsored by Teleku. Beware of ninjas. They are very sneaky. Hiya.
Now, do you see though? It's extension 194, so this is really easy. This format we've provided. It's extension at sip.teleku.com. So 194 at sip.teleku.com rings right into extension 194 here. And if you didn't have a SIP client, that was Blink you just saw, you can do this in this phone from here. Was kind enough to let us use theirs. Let me show you how it works.
Phonefromhere.com is connecting you.
This
This call is sponsored by Teleku. Beware of ninjas. They are very sneaky. Hiya.
So that is two entirely different platforms. Like I said, Ninja's free, Samurai's going to be 5 cents a minute, and that way you can kind of start hearing the differences in the applications. And let me show you something really cool. There's lots of services, and I'm going to be covering a few of these. But if you go to ipcall, KALL.com, you can just sign up for a totally free number. I think these are kind of weird services, so I'm saying that with caution. But I wanted to show you the power. They offer a free telephone number in the United States, mostly in the Washington area. And you reserve the number. They send you an email with the phone number, and then you can point it at any SIP address. So I picked up two, and the caveat is as long as you have calls coming in within the last 30 days, you get to retain the number. They explain all that when you send it. So if we log in, remember the extension? We were doing 194, and then the proxy is going to be sip.teleku.com, and you just hit submit here. Now watch. We basically have this free phone number that we can call. I'm going to call it on my iPhone. It doesn't work on all phones. It's kind of something weird about it. But if we call 206-424-2809, I'll put the speaker on.
This call is sponsored by Teleku. Beware of ninjas. They are very sneaky. Hiya.
So what we just did was we used the service, picked up a phone number, pointed it at a SIP extension, and dialed it, and Ninja answered it, and that was totally free. So Google Voice, I'm going to show you how to use some of its SIP solutions, and there's lots of SIP gateways that you can order phone numbers from for like a monthly fee and have unlimited access on them. So we're going to see some really cool things happening with this new Ninja platform. I'm really excited about it, and we'll be having more videos coming up soon. So stay tuned.